In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord password if you've forgotten it on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so we're going to do this by using the Discord app. So from here, we're going to open it up and sign out. But before you sign out, remember the email you're using on Discord and that email that you want to change your password with, or you've forgotten your password. In saying that, from here, click on login. Then it'll say account information. Go ahead and put in that email address associated with your Discord account. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click on that forgot your password button there. And then it'll say instructions sent. We send instructions to change your password to that email address. Please check both your inbox and spam folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to my emails. All right, here it is here. Discord password reset. So from here, I'm going to scroll down and go ahead and click on reset password. And then it's going to open up a web page and change your new password. So jot in your new password here and click change password. But remember to write down your new password or put it down somewhere safe so you won't forget it.